Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to win against Kate using Ling. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing I need to do is to activate the enemy of the cat like this. Okay, and I will now attack the you can the combo using a basic attack like this before you have a special skill are open. Okay, is waiting to the blue, and then now you already win against Kate. Okay, if you have if you have a problem using this link, you can spam the basic attack like that, or you can also hide like that. Okay, so here it is. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you like the video, you can like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you have a question, you can leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.